Are you ready to take control of your fitness journey and transform your body in just 4 weeks? Achieving your fitness goals might seem daunting, but it all starts with a single step. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 powerful exercises that can help you build strength, burn fat, and boost your overall health. Stick with these, and the results will speak for themselves. Embarking on a fitness journey is one of the most challenging yet rewarding endeavors you can take. It requires a strong sense of determination, motivation, and resilience. Many people struggle with taking that crucial first step, feeling overwhelmed by the effort it seems to require. But here's the truth. The hardest part is simply starting. When you muster the willpower to begin, you've already achieved something remarkable, something many never find the courage to do. You've conquered the biggest obstacle, getting started. And that's no small feat. By overcoming this initial hurdle, you position yourself for success, setting the stage for noticeable results. As you commit to these 5 exercises, you'll soon see your body start to change. It might be subtle at first, a bit more energy in your day, improved posture, or a little more strength in your arms and legs. But those small changes will snowball. And when you notice the first positive transformation, it becomes almost impossible to quit. It's not just about physical changes. The mental benefits are equally powerful. Consistent exercise builds discipline, improves mood, and sharpens your focus. You'll start to feel more confident and motivated, making it easier to push through challenges. These exercises will help you build a stronger, more resilient body and mind. So what are these 5 exercises? We'll guide you through the essential movements: planks to stabilize your core, push-ups to strengthen your upper body, squats to power up your legs, bird dogs for balance and coordination, and glute bridges to tone your glutes and hips. These compound movements are the foundation for a stronger, healthier body. Remember, the journey isn't always easy, but it's worth it. With consistency and commitment, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve in just 4 weeks. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is now. Join us as we take that first step toward transformation, 1 rep at a time, ready to transform your body and your life. Let's get started. 1. The plank. An essential core strengthening exercise. The plank is a foundational exercise that targets your core muscles, including the abdominals, shoulders, and back. It's one of the most effective movements for building a solid core, which is crucial for maintaining good posture and enhancing overall stability. By regularly practicing planks, you can significantly reduce or even prevent back pain, improve your balance, and support a healthier spine. Unlike many other exercises, the plank engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a highly efficient full-body workout. A strong core benefits not only athletic performance, but also everyday tasks, such as lifting, bending, or even maintaining a good sitting posture. Strengthening your core enhances overall body control and helps protect against injuries by stabilizing your midsection. Additionally, planks play a key role in developing and defining your abdominal muscles, making them a popular choice for those seeking a toned midsection. To perform a plank correctly, start by lying on the floor in a push-up position. Lower your elbows to form a 90-degree angle, resting your weight on your forearms. Ensure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position, focusing on keeping your core engaged and your back flat. 2. The push-up. A classic full-body strength exercise. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most effective exercises for developing strength and endurance. This timeless workout targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, forearms, back, core, and even legs, making it a powerful full-body exercise. One of the reasons push-ups have remained so popular is their simplicity. You can perform them anywhere without the need for equipment. Despite their simplicity, they deliver significant results by using your body weight as resistance to build muscle and boost upper body strength. Push-ups also engage the core, requiring you to stabilize your torso while maintaining a straight, plank-like position. This not only strengthens the abdominal muscles but also improves balance and posture. Regular push-up practice can increase functional strength, which is essential for daily activities such as lifting, carrying, or pushing objects. Additionally, they enhance cardiovascular endurance when performed in higher repetitions. To execute a proper push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Focus on controlled movements to maximize effectiveness and reduce injury risk. 3. The squat. a powerful, full-body strengthening exercise. The squat is a fundamental compound movement that engages multiple major muscle groups throughout the body. It is highly regarded as one of the most essential exercises for building overall strength and enhancing athletic performance. Squats primarily target the muscles in the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, glutes, and hips, making it an excellent exercise for developing powerful legs. Beyond the lower body, squats also engage the core muscles and the lower back, providing a full-body workout that improves stability and posture. One of the key benefits of squats is their ability to stimulate muscle growth. As a compound movement, squats activate numerous muscle fibers simultaneously, promoting hypertrophy and increasing overall muscle mass. They also play a critical role in strengthening the joints, particularly the knees and ankles, which can enhance flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. Furthermore, the balance required to perform squats effectively contributes to better coordination and body control. Regular squat practice not only boosts lower body strength, but also improves core stability. To perform a proper squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. Lower your body by bending at the hips and knees as if sitting into a chair, ensuring your knees don't extend past your toes. Once your thighs are parallel to the ground, push through your heels to return to the starting position. Incorporating squats into your routine will help you build strength, enhance endurance, and improve overall fitness. 4. The bird dog, a core and balance strengthening exercise. The bird dog is a highly effective exercise that targets the core, lower back, and stabilizer muscles. Like the plank, it plays a significant role in enhancing core strength and promoting spinal stability. However, what sets the bird dog apart is its emphasis on improving balance and coordination, making it a valuable addition to any fitness routine. This exercise specifically strengthens the lumbar spine, which is essential for maintaining a healthy lower back and reducing the risk of injury. By engaging both the core and the back muscles simultaneously, the bird dog helps build a solid foundation of stability that can support a variety of physical activities. It also strengthens the glutes and shoulders, contributing to overall body control and improved posture. Regular practice can enhance flexibility and mobility in the hips and shoulders, further promoting functional fitness. To perform the bird dog, start on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees beneath your hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back simultaneously, keeping your spine neutral and your core engaged. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position and switch sides. This dynamic movement not only builds strength, but also trains the body to maintain balance during everyday movements. 5. The glute bridge, a simple yet effective exercise for strength and stability. The glute bridge is a highly versatile and effective exercise that primarily targets the gluteal muscles, making it one of the best moves for strengthening and toning the lower body. Although the main focus is on the glutes, this exercise also engages the core muscles, hips, and lower back, providing a full-body workout with a focus on stabilization and mobility. One of its most valuable benefits is its ability to prevent and alleviate lower back pain by promoting proper posture and strengthening the surrounding muscles. A major advantage of the glute bridge is its simplicity and accessibility. It requires no equipment, making it a perfect choice for those who want to work out at home, in the office, or even while traveling. The exercise can be done anywhere, from a living room to a hotel room, providing a quick yet impactful addition to any fitness routine. Despite its simplicity, it delivers impressive results, helping to build strength and endurance in the lower body. In addition to building muscle strength, the glute bridge also improves hip flexibility and core stability, both of which are crucial for functional movement in daily life. By strengthening the glutes, this exercise helps balance the forces around the pelvis, reducing the risk of injury, especially in the lower back and hips. For athletes, it enhances performance in activities like running, jumping, and squatting by increasing power and mobility. To perform the glute bridge, lie flat on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Place your arms by your sides with your palms facing down. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Then press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold the position for a few seconds, squeezing your glutes at the top. Then slowly lower your hips back to the floor. For added intensity, You can try variations such as single-leg glute bridges or adding resistance bands around your thighs. Incorporating glute bridges into your regular workout routine will help you build strength, improve posture, and maintain a healthy, pain-free lower back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful tips, and together, let's smash those fitness goals and inspire each other along the way.